when I first got my Creeping Charlie. Well, look, here are some pictures. It has grown and gotten so big, as you can see, from when I first got it. From you guys looking at the pictures, it was a cute little plant, wasn't it? Okay, garden people, my gardening crew, my gardening subscribers, today on my balcony garden, which everything is in containers, so I'm container growing. Today we're going to talk about my oh Lord, Creeping Charlie. It is the cutest, most adorable, while it's in a container, because this plant can take over everything, and it's easy to propagate. All I do is just stick it in some soil and it grows. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's some up here in this little planter growing. And it does need some water because it's been hot a few days over here, so I'm going to give it, quench its thirst, give it some water, and let it do its business. Let me do this again. The neighbors were playing a little music and I just dawned on me, so let me say this again. I did just give my plant some water. It's beautiful. And today's garden update, yes, it's on my Creeping Charlie. Hope I didn't call it anything else while I wasn't paying attention to what I was saying. But anyway, thanks for watching, and welcome back to all my subscribers, whether you're a sub or not a sub. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave a beautiful comment, and invite me to your channel to watch your video. And stay tuned because there's more garden updates coming. Alright, bye y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed my Creeping Charlie plant update. It's a beautiful plant. Do you guys have one? Let me know in the comments. Hope you guys heard me. I just realized I had my finger over the speaker.